Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MyPhone N23 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's open them, and here we have to scroll down to find navigation bar. Of course, right now I've got the gesture set, but if you've got the virtual key, and just a quick disclaimer, you can customize them right here, so you can, for example, reorder the back button and the recents. And in order to set the gesture, simply tap on this option, gesture navigation. As you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we'll have this line which is responsible for some gestures. We can change also the gestures back sensitivity, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gesture, so you will be able to decide whether you need this back sensitivity to be lower or higher. So now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, swipe your finger from the side to the center. Don't do it for too long because you will open this additional tab. So quickly swipe it from the left to the center and from the right to the center. It works the same almost. Okay, just quickly. If you want to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center. It should be a short and quick motion, as you saw. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, however, elongate it a little bit, like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.